A fragrant mixture of chili, coriander, ginger, garlic and pepper are pounded together. Beautiful tiger shrimp is also pounded. Mushrooms are added to the shrimp together with more smaller pieces of shrimp, soya sauce, and some of that green paste. And a cornstarch holds it all together. This mixture is then fried in hot oil and kept aside. Spring onion, shallots, and the green paste are quickly sautéed before adding a shrimp infused stock. Vinegar and soya sauce is also added. And finally, this is thickened with a cornstarch slurry. And the fried shrimp nuggets are tossed in this luscious green gravy.
Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to be making something I actually just made up. Last week, I made this dish because I wanted to make some Chinese food and I wanted to make something a little bit different. So I basically made this chili shrimp recipe. It's perfect. It's like shrimp pakora and a gravy in one. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
In a mortar and pestle, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and I'm going to crush them. Next, I will add a 1/4 cup each of garlic and ginger. I've just sliced this smaller to make it easier for me to crush. I'm going to smash this together. We're not looking for a smooth paste, but we don't want huge chunks of ginger and garlic either. Next, I'm going to add 3 large chilies. This is about 1/2 cup. I've sliced these as well, and as you've noticed, I'm using the large green chilies. These are not super spicy. If you're going to be using the smaller Thai chilies, use less. I'm going to pound this as well. I have a cup here of loosely packed coriander leaves and I'm just going to add these in a little bit at a time, bruising the leaves as I go. I'm going to mix this well and then keep it aside. I have 400 grams of gorgeous tiger shrimp here. You can use regular shrimp as well. I'm going to be removing the shells, I'm going to clean them, and I have cut about 3/4 of it coarsely, and the rest I've cut into smaller little pieces. I'm going to throw the coarsely cut shrimp into my mortar, and I'm going to start pounding. Work on this in batches and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of finely chopped mushrooms. This is going to give you good flavor, a great texture, as well as it's going to bulk these nuggets up. The pieces of shrimp I finely chopped, I'm going to throw those in as well. This is purely for texture. One tablespoon of light soya sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of the green paste and I'm going to mix this well together. Now I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch just to hold this all together. I'm going to allow this mixture to sit. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare a very special enhanced stock. This is totally optional, but I'm going to saute the shells of my tiger shrimp in some oil. Once they roast in the oil, they will turn a beautiful, vibrant red. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of veggie stock and I'm going to bring this to the boil. I'm going to simmer it and then I'm going to leave it aside to cool. This is a great way to get some really good flavor into store-bought stock. While the stock cools, I will cook the shrimp. Heat some oil and add the shrimp in. These are about a tennis ball size, perfect to cook fast and get super crispy on the outside. Once cooked, I'm going to remove these and I'm going to drain them on some kitchen towels. Hot wok, I'm going to add in some oil and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sliced spring onion bulbs as well as a 1/2 cup of sliced shallots. Add the rest of the crushed green paste and only saute this for about 30 seconds. We want to preserve that really nice green color. Next, I'm going to strain the stock in and I'm going to allow this to come to the boil. For flavoring, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar as well as 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Again, we're trying to keep that green color intact. If you need more salt, add salt to taste. To thicken this, I will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of a cornstarch slurry. This is simply cornstarch that has been dissolved in some water. The sauce has now started to thicken, so it's now time to add in the fried shrimp nuggets and give this a quick stir. Simmer this for about 60 seconds and this is ready to enjoy.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. This is a new favorite in our household. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe as well. If you love it, do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, tell all your friends about it, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as that you rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.